How to redeem gift card on DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can redeem DoorDash gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your DoorDash gift card, open up the DoorDash application and make sure that you're signed into the account. Then after you've done that, simply come to the orders tab from the bottom and you can simply tap the account icon from the very top of the screen here. Once you go to the account page, over here you'll find the option that says gift cards, right? So you can tap on gift cards. It will ask us to buy a gift card, but that's not what we want to do. We want to redeem gift card. So here you can see have a gift card, redeem it with the gift card pin. You can tap on the enter gift card pin option here, and as you do that you can just tap on the redeem gift card option in order to redeem them. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically redeem a DoorDash gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.